Folks, be careful how the quality of the SATA Molex power adapters you purchase. On this hard drive over here, you can see the scorching on the motherboard. Pretty impressive. Here's the connector. That doesn't look right. I mean, it's melted. It's charred. I mean, there's chunks of charcoal. 5 hours after I replaced that hard drive, this one melted. Now, that right there, that's the wire connecting to the pin that melted. This is the hard drive. There's only some scorching on the pins, but I don't know how good it's going to show up in the camera, but if you take a look, that circuit board right there as well is a little bit not as shiny. I wouldn't trust that hard drive at all. Now, let us take a look at inserting the connector on a good hard drive. This is one of the adapters, and it just slides on, and I can just tug it off. I mean, just comes off easy as could be. Now, this is the cable from the power supply. And when I go to slide it on, it takes a bit more force. But I can't just pull it off. I mean, I've got to really yank at it. I mean, that's not going to come off easy.